Hey Selena, Professor Ball here. How's it going? During the course of the semester, I'm going to be doing different kinds of feedback for your work, mainly your essays. And in this case, you are going to get video comments from me on your work. So let's get started. So the first thing I look at is MLA format, and I look to see you have all the information here, and then you have your last name and page number there. I'm noticing that this seems to be a little bit smaller than this, so you might want to check that out. It looks like you have some extra spacing too. So to fix that in Microsoft Word, go to paragraph, it's at the top of the screen, and then go to spacing, so be on your left-hand side, make sure it's at 0, 0. Okay? And then double, because sometimes newer versions of Word will add space. So is it Bible or Bibble? I'm going to just say Bible, just for the sake of it. If I'm wrong, don't tell me. So Carly Bible Rhetoric Strategies. It's all right. I wonder if you can come up with something a little more creative. So Carly Bible is an inspirational YouTuber that built her credibility on beauty and fashion and social media through the use of rhetorical strategies. Good. Some of the social media platforms she uses with over millions, this is not possessive, so no apostrophe, of millions of followers and likes, same thing here, you don't need that, on YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. While observing her social media platform, where she is able to share and communicate with her supporters, she films many types of videos on YouTube, this would be capitalized, including fashion, makeup, hair, how-tos, skincare, and favorites. Shown in every video, positivity is what you mainly get out of her channel, because even starting a video, you get a motivational quote. That's nice. Carly Bible uses videos, tweets, posts, and captions that either use pathos, ethos, logos, and kairos to keep her growing platform on social media, as well as, something's there. Okay, so you have the right idea. You tell me who the person is. You offer me some background on her. And then you have a thesis here about using pathos, ethos, logos, and kairos. You're missing something here, so that's a typo. One thing just to be aware of, and I'm going to type it out here, be careful with the word you, because you're targeting a specific reader, like in this case it's me, and I probably would not be watching her videos, although I love fashion, makeup, hair, how-tos, and skincare things. So fans, followers, those are more specific ways to address the you instead of using you. Okay. So now Carly Bible has used and includes ethos in her social media on beauty and fashion, where, W-H-E-R-E, she has built her credibility on for years. She has had various collaborations with different makeup brands, producing her own makeup palettes, as well as collaborations with well-known clothing brands that she shares, no possessive, so no apostrophe, about in all social medias. Being so well-known, from everything she has accomplished so far, she is a public figure on social media, and by incorporation of ethos online, it shows how well established and credible she is. Bible goes on to state in her bio how she wished to inspire others, and after 6 to 7 years, and this is not a big deal, but smaller numbers you would spell out. After 6 and 7 years of doing beauty fashion videos and posts, plural, she did exactly that. Her credibility can be seen by all the followers she has on social media, including 4.9 million followers, Instagram, 566,223 followers, Twitter, 2 million blah, blah, blah followers, Facebook, and 5 million subscribers on YouTube. With so many followers already trusting her words, the videos she is constantly putting out weekly show her supporters that they can trust the information she states and the brand she introduces. Very good. I mentioned at the beginning you have extra spacing here. So again, go to paragraph. It's at the top middle of the page. Microsoft Word. Oh, my brace. Carpal tunnel. Paragraph, spacing, 0, 0, double. Looking through videos, Instagram, and tweets, pathos was presented on Carly Bible's pages many times, where, W-H-E-R-E, you could feel the emotion she was giving off and trying to bring forward. With the author's name, unless she's a friend of yours, you would refer to her as by her last, no, that's not it, by her last name. So Bible, the YouTuber, the social media star, did I say YouTuber, the Instagram celebrity, something along those lines. And let me just insert this here. Nope, it's not working. Okay, well, author's name. It's just a formality. Just use her last name or another way to describe her. Okay, Carly has always shown how kind-hearted she is, so it was no surprise when she came out stating that she was raising funds to help 120 girls from Cambodia. This is a comma splice. You don't need a comma there. Attend school with $100,000. That's nice of her. Which she mentions on all her social medias, and you can go watch because she posted a video on May 13th, 2017, comma, called Donating $100,000 to Charity. Because this is the title of the video, you'd put it in quotation marks. On this video, comma, there are many different emotions viewers, fans, followers get throughout the video because she went to meet them in Cambodia, and whoever can see on the video how they're living, the environment, and also the difference Carly made by donating to them. In addition, comma, you can also see on Instagram she posted on November 30th, 2017, an emotional video that showed the girl she helped, captioned, "How beautiful are my angels from my Carly Bible Scholarship. Thank you to everyone who helped make this happen." I don't know what that means. Sorry. I love you, sis, something? I don't know. Through these and many other examples on her social media, pathos is portrayed. Good. So you make your point, you illustrate it, and you explain it. That's the best way to avoid summary. You're not just telling you what you see, you're analyzing why it's important. Through the use of Carly Bible's social media, so now this one would be possessive. Apostrophe S. Through the use of Carly Bible's social media, comma, somebody can spot the well thought out use of logos. Carly demonstrates constantly a love for animals on all her social media. I'm thinking media because that's already plural. As she also has 4 cats of her own, so this would be spelled out. And small numbers are spelled out. As she also states, comma, she suffers from eczema. When she heard of how going plant-based might help the situation, doing more research, comma, she just started to start converting to veganism. Carly went on to title, no D, the video Going Vegan. You don't need this because you're going to have your works cited page. And states she wants us to her platform, something. Check that out. I think you're missing a word. To inform others on going vegan. On space going vegan. On the video, punctuation, comma. She also starts to show clips of animals being slaughtered on farms, which is pretty upsetting and not only showed logos but also pathos. Yes. Kairos is seen well throughout Carly Bible's, again, apostrophe S, platforms on social media. Period. Media. Every time something horrible happens, she is on social media, sending prayers or finding ways to help out. Okay. One second. Okay, to help out. Given that Kairos has a lot to do with timing, when the explosion went off at one of Ariana Grande's concerts that sadly killed 22 people. Yes, but you have a fragment here. So what about it? So given that Kairos has a lot to do with timing, when the explosion went off at one of Ariana Grande's concerts that sadly killed 22 people, comma, Carly seeing all the devastating tragedies happening around her, she decided to make a YouTube video. So see how you can combine these sentences. 27 called Ariana Grande Hair Tutorial One Love Concert. So again, this would be in quotation marks because it's a video on YouTube. Not only shows a tutorial to achieve the singer's hair, this is possessive. Whose hair? Ariana Grande's. But also she talks about the tragedies and how she was donating money how she was donating the money she made on the video. So proofreading here. She made on the video, part of how she makes a living, to Manchester's emergency fund. On all forms of her social media, after posting the video, I saw her bring up her videos so many more would watch, helping raise the money. Videos like these where, WHERE, she seems to post relevant videos of what is actually going on around in the world at the moment, which demonstrates Kairos being used throughout her social media, lowercase. So one thing is there's no first person in this class for sure. So no I, there's no me, there's no my. Usually in academic writing, you avoid it. So how can you? So when I'm giving you this feedback, you're going to do an error log, which is where you fix the things that I'm telling you about. So you want to avoid that. Okay, so now we're at your conclusion. And what I'm going to tell you is you can avoid the in conclusion. We know it's your conclusion. Just rhetoric appeals that Carly Bible uses helped. Because you wouldn't say in introduction, Carly Bible, whatever. So what I'm going to do here is just a little reminder there. Appeals that Carly Bible uses helped her. And you know what? If you're doing helped past tense, used past tense. Used helped her credibility in fashion and beauty grow, as well as her social media status. That's a minor concern. These strategies were found in many ways while analyzing through the videos, pictures, tweets, and captions on many social media platforms that Carly Bible contently uses every day to connect with her audience. And that's just spelling. That's minor. She encourages others to be, to do, and to feel better about their selves, while also being a voice when things like tragedies occur or helping fund something worth it. Ethos, pathos, logos, and kairos are all found on Carly Bible's social media because it is part of what she does for a living and makes her a more effective communicator by using these rhetorical appeals. Good. So you respond well to the prompt. You do have your works cited page. You also need the date that it was posted and the URL. And let me see if I can bring this up for you here. Hang on. There's a link here that I'm going to give you that you can use for next time to make sure you do your works cited page. But you respond well to the prompt. You have all your bases covered. You have a thesis. You don't just summarize, you analyze, and your conclusion wraps everything up. So mostly what I'm seeing here are called lower order concerns. They're little issues. So you did well with the paper. Let me know if you have any questions, Selena, and we will talk again.